Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove an app page in Salesforce Lightning Builder. This is particularly useful when you need to clean up unused pages or replace outdated layouts with newer designs. Let's walk through the process, step by step. First, you'll need to access the app builder. Start by logging into the Salesforce web version using your credentials. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This will take you to Salesforce's Configuration Hub, where you can manage all your organization settings. Now, in the Setup screen, you'll see a quick find search box on the left side. Type Lightning App Builder into this box. As you type, Salesforce will filter the options for you. Once you see Lightning App Builder appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. This opens up the Lightning App Builder interface where you can view all your existing Lightning pages. Before you can delete a page, you need to make sure it's not actively being used in your organization. In the Lightning Pages list, locate the page you want to remove. Click on the page name to open it, then click Edit. Once the page editor loads, look for the Activation button and click on it. This shows you where the page is currently active. If the page is set as an org default, you'll need to click Remove as org default to deactivate it first. This step is crucial because Salesforce won't let you delete a page that's still active somewhere in your system. After removing it as the default, click Save to confirm your changes. Give it a moment to process and save these updates. Now that the page is deactivated, you can proceed with deletion. Return to the Lightning App Builder list, where you'll see all your pages displayed. Find the target page you just deactivated. Next to the page name, you'll see a del option, which stands for delete. Click on it. A confirmation pop will appear asking you to verify that you really want to delete this page. This is your final checkpoint, so make sure you've selected the correct page. Click OK to confirm the deletion. Finally, take a moment to verify the removal. Check the Lightning Pages list to confirm that the page you deleted no longer appears. This ensures the process completed successfully and the page has been permanently removed from your Salesforce org. And that's it. You've successfully removed an app page from Salesforce Lightning Builder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.